Hey, so if you want to add hyperlinks in Google Slides in 2026 to make your presentation more interactive and useful, this guide will walk you through the full process step by step. First, open your browser and go to Google Slides. Log in using your Google account email and password. Once you're inside, open the presentation where you want to add hyperlinks, and you'll see all your slides in the editor view. Start by selecting the text, image, shape, or object you want to turn into a link. This could be a word, a button, an icon, or even an image on your slide. Once selected, right-click on it and choose Insert Link, or simply use the shortcut by pressing Ctrl+K. In the link box, you can paste a website URL if you want to link to an external page like a document, website, or video. This is useful when you want viewers to access extra resources or references directly from your slide. You can also link to another slide within the same presentation. In the link options, choose slides in this presentation, then select the specific slide you want to jump to. This is perfect for creating interactive navigation, like menus or section buttons. After adding the link, click Apply. Your selected text or object is now clickable. You can test it by entering present mode and clicking the link to make sure it opens the correct page or slide. If you want to edit or remove a hyperlink later, just click on the linked item and choose Edit Link or Remove Link. This gives you full control to update links as your presentation changes. Using hyperlinks makes your slides more engaging, interactive, and professional, especially for online teaching, business presentations, or self-paced content. And that's it. By selecting elements, inserting links, and testing them in presentation mode, you can easily add hyperlinks in Google Slides. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple, step-by-step tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.